Auburn Hills, known for its blend of charming residential communities and scenic landscapes, offers homeowners an ideal environment to create comfortable and inviting living spaces. One of the most effective ways to enhance both air circulation and aesthetics in your home is by incorporating awning windows. These versatile window styles not only maximize ventilation but also add a contemporary touch to any architectural design. Let's explore how awning windows can transform your Auburn Hills home into a haven of fresh air and comfort. The unique design of awning windows. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a slanted opening. This distinctive design provides several advantages over traditional window styles. Continuous ventilation. Even during light rain, awning windows allow fresh air to circulate without letting water into your home. Compact and space-saving. Their design makes them suitable for smaller spaces, such as bathrooms, kitchens, or basements, where ventilation is crucial but space is limited. Contemporary appeal. Awning windows offer a sleek, modern look that complements both classic and modern home designs. Why choose awning windows for Auburn Hills homes? Auburn Hills experiences a mix of seasonal weather, from warm summers to chilly winters. Awning windows are particularly well suited for this climate due to their functional and aesthetic benefits. Improved airflow. The outward opening design catches breezes efficiently, creating cross-ventilation that keeps your home fresh and cool, even on warmer days. Weather-resistant ventilation. The slanted opening protects against rain, allowing you to keep windows open during storms without worrying about water damage. Energy efficiency. With proper sealing and double glazing, awning windows reduce energy loss, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Natural light. These windows let in ample daylight, reducing reliance on artificial lighting and enhancing your home's ambiance. Applications of awning windows in your home. Awning windows are versatile enough to be installed in various areas of your home, each serving a unique purpose. Living rooms. Enhance your living area with wide awning windows that provide fresh air and a clear view of Auburn Hills' beautiful surroundings. Kitchens. Awning windows above sinks or countertops ensure ventilation, preventing cooking odors and steam from lingering. Bathrooms. Their compact design fits perfectly in bathrooms, offering privacy while promoting airflow to reduce humidity and mold growth. Bedrooms. Paired with other window styles, awning windows can create a dynamic look and improve ventilation in sleeping areas. Basements. Awning windows are an excellent choice for basements, where their upward opening design ensures safety and maximizes light and ventilation. Benefits for Auburn Hills homeowners. For homeowners in Auburn Hills, investing in awning windows offers a range of advantages that align with the city's lifestyle and climate. Durability and security. Awning windows are built with sturdy frames and multi-point locking systems, ensuring longevity and safety for your home. Eco-friendly living. By promoting natural airflow and reducing reliance on air conditioning, awning windows contribute to a greener, more sustainable household. Enhanced property value. The modern and functional appeal of awning windows can increase your home's curb appeal and market value. Customization options. Available in various materials, finishes, and sizes, Awning windows can be tailored to match your home's unique style. Tips for selecting the right awning windows. When choosing awning windows for your Auburn Hills home, keep these factors in mind. Material matters. Opt for durable materials like vinyl, wood, or aluminum that suit your home's design and withstand local weather conditions. Energy efficiency. Look for windows with energy-efficient features, such as low-E glass and insulated frames, to reduce heating and cooling costs. Professional installation. Proper installation is key to maximizing the benefits of awning windows. Hire a trusted local professional with experience in Auburn Hills homes. Conclusion. Awning windows are a perfect addition to Auburn Hills homes, combining functionality, style, and energy efficiency. Whether you're renovating your space or building a new home, these windows offer a cost-effective way to improve ventilation and enhance your living environment. By choosing the right awning windows and ensuring expert installation, you'll enjoy a brighter, fresher, and more comfortable home for years to come. Take the first step toward transforming your Auburn Hills home. Explore the endless possibilities of awning windows today.